Hello everyone. Today I am going to describe this picture. This picture shows a village scene. This is a village scene. We can see mud houses with thatched roofs, green trees and open fields. In the front we see a boy and a girl playing with a football. The boy is wearing a yellow t-shirt and blue shorts. The girl is wearing a green and orange dress. Both children look happy and cheerful. On the right side, there is a man wearing a blue shirt, white dhoti and turban. On the left side, there is a woman wearing a red sari. She is carrying a water pot on her head. An old woman is standing behind the children. She is wearing a green and yellow sari. She looks kind and smiling. In the fields, farmers are working. They are using tools to grow crops. The fields are green and fresh. On the left side, near a house, we can see a cow. The cow is standing calmly. The sky is blue with white clouds. The weather looks pleasant and sunny. The picture shows a happy village life. People are working, children are playing, and nature looks peaceful and beautiful. Now pause this video and explain this picture in your own words. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.